In early days, murder was often punished by murder. Will there be any reward or punishment from God Almighty if one seeks only retribution and not forgiveness, revenge and not forgiveness?
Translation. In answer to this question, it should be noted that the principles of Islam do not change with times. So whatever happened in the past, whatever happens today, or will happen tomorrow, will be governed by the same principles. That is absolute justice. So in case of the past retributions, we do not know who took his revenge for what reason and what cause, and whether he in turn transgressed against the transgressors. So all these matters are unknown factors. Only Allah knows them. And whatever decision He takes will be on the principles which the Holy Quran dictates. Primarily, forgiveness is better if it causes reformation. Secondly, forgiveness is better anyway, if one can forgive and have his trust with Allah. Thirdly, if one cannot forgive and he has certainly been transgressed against, then his retribution should not be more than what has been done against him. Most certainly not more. Whoever complies by this rule today will be treated with fairness from Allah. Whoever did it yesterday or will do it tomorrow, he will be treated exactly the same way by Allah. So this hypothetical question of some people used to do is irrelevant. Everybody does this again and again and will do it again and again. The matter will be decided as to the realities which command a situation by God who knows all realities.